Right, we're back. I have one of those little like listening robots that plays music and wakes me up in the morning, and it was just started talking to me for no reason. That was kind of weird. Anyway, I want to reverse the number because why not? So let's make another, and we'll call it reverse. Oh no, hold on. Is reverse a thing? What? What is reverse? Hold on a second. Find declaration, find implementation, find references. Symbol not found. Okay, that's properties? No, that's not. Look, this is what is reverse? Well, clearly I need to pull up this thing. C++. Gotta edit out that email bit. And right. Now pull this up. C++ reverse. What's that do? Standard reverse. Void reverse. Reverse range. Reverses the order of the elements in the range. Function calls letter swap. Really? You learn everything. You learn new things every day, huh? So the function swap, first, last, first, bidirectional iterators, changes vectors, standard vector into my vector, set some values, int 5 to 10 plus plus. Oh, that's weird. Plus plus yeah, I guess that works. Contains 978. Huh. Okay, that's cute. I don't care about it. I'm just making my own. I got a genius idea here. Well, let's just not call it reverse. Let's call it rev. And we're going to take an integer, and we're going to call this number. Yeah, because I like the word number. And okay, so I just want to reverse the number. To do that, I just need to just make the number disappear. Yeah, sure. While. What's the while? While in is while. Yeah, while. That's how that works. Number. I guess not equal to 0. It's gonna do this thing, and it's gonna. You know what? I'm gonna need a couple of counting things here. I'm gonna need like a remainder, int. Remainder and well, hold on. You know what? Let's just call it just R, and we're going to call this just R and double R, because that's not confusing at all. No, because I've got my number, which is going to be between 5 and 10 bits, or not bits, but digits. And then I want to take the first digit and make it the sort of last digit. But I can actually, we'll probably be doing that in reverse, right? Because when I think about the first digit, I'm taking the ones place, and I'm making it the new top place of whatever came before it. Yeah, whether it's 5 or 6. But anyway, I need two numbers, one to help me count, track, what's happening, and one to return, so one to be the final number. While the number isn't equal to 0, we can set our simple r equal to num mod 10, and that'll give us what's in the ones place into r, and then we can set rr equals rr times 10 to put whatever is in the first ones place into the tens place, and then plus r. You know what, let's go ahead and set rr to 0, right up there so we don't screw that up later. And then because they're integers, we can just go number divided by 10. You know what? Hold on. No, number divide equals 10? Yeah, can I do that? Otherwise I have to do number equals number divided by 10, but I think divide equals will work. And that should get rid of the number for us. And just to make things happy for me, we're going to see out goes this way, R, and a little bit of like reversed. Good. And then we'll see out an end line here, but it can't be capitalized. End line. Perfect. And then I'm pretty sure I actually want to return RR. There we go. Stop the program from running. That'll be beautiful. It's not being called yet. Let's let's go in here, just like this. We're going to put it first. And we don't want to put this number in there. We want to copy that. We want to reverse this. So we're going to rev. Yeah. Do that. And then that'll be equal. In that line properly. Let's go back up to the top of this and just put in. Can in work? Am I using in anywhere yet? Yeah, in. Let's set it equal to in. I mean, I'm not seeing that get screwed up anywhere. I'm not seeing in at all anymore. So yeah, I've already got an in. Fantastic. That's what that's going to work. And then we're going to go in, and then we're going to go C plus equals prime of in. And that'll be the reversed of that date. Well, I like them all better. And then just to help me out here, I'm just going to comment all this stuff out because I don't need it right now. Yeah. All right, so I'm just going to do it the reverse of that. Yeah. RR. Oh, yeah, of course. I just need to know how to program. And check my syntax. And I've screwed up again here. Too few arguments. Oh, well, I need to throw C in there because that's how I made it. And better. All right, so let's throw in 18. Let's throw in, this is in number 7. Should be showing some reversed numbers here. And it is. It's totally reversing like 365 different days. And you know what? One of them's prime. And that one's prime too. This is beautiful. So I'm happy with that. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this because we don't need it there. We're just going to return the reversed number. And then over here, we're gonna make all this line up again. I've got plans here. Hold on. Don't worry. Plans. If this is prime, right, so that little beautiful thing right here is reversing that. And if it's a reverse number, kind of want to know. Maybe I'll just be able to tell. I don't know. Let's take all this. Oh, you know what I could do? I could just make this, like, get that rid of it. Whoa, what'd I do? Just get rid of all of this. put it at the end, and do it 6 times. Yeah? Yeah, so, again, I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but this, I don't even need to worry about like the order here. I'm sure that there's a quicker way to do this. Yeah, I'm just, no. Year, month. Okay, you know what? I actually kind of liked it. I kind of liked not copying it. And that will do. So now it'll go through, it'll find the not reversed ones, then it'll find all of the reversed ones, and if they're in the same day, it'll just keep printing, so I'll know that, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, 2018, option 7, let's get them all. Oh, my lordy, there are 419 primes. And you know what? It looks like November 27th is very prime, as well as November, what is this, 17th? Very prime, November 17th. This is beautiful. That's another one that's pretty darn prime right there. And I'm pumped. I'm super pumped about this. This has got 5 primes on the day. And yeah, you know what? That's impressive. I wonder right now, right? See out the day, and then no prime, and then in the line. Okay, I don't know if it needs that there, but I'm gonna do it. Let's stop that from running. Run this. See if I did that see out thing right. Yeah. Oh, what did I do wrong here? Oh, I guess I don't need that end line bit because it's all in the parenthesis. No, I'm still busted somehow. Oh, shoot! I can't put it all in the parenthesis here. Hold on. I need to, in that parenthesis there, put this here, put that there, get rid of that parenthesis, get rid of that opening, and now in the line. Let's try it one more time. Still busted. Else. What's wrong here, dude? Come on. Okay, 18. Just have to learn how to use an else statement, apparently. And then option number 7. And look at that. We have 419 primes. We have this is great. So there are almost less days that have no prime than there are days with a prime. Butch, getting a lot of letters. I just have to print this. How do I print this? No, not like that. Print? No, that didn't work. You need to like output that to a text file. Well, man, how do I output this to a text file? Just print it, hang it up on my wall. Anyway, I'm happy. I have all of the dates that I can imagine, and probably some that I couldn't imagine. And you know what? It only took, I don't know, an hour of coding and about a week of thinking, and it got done in about 10 seconds. Pumped. So, yeah, have a great day.